In this video today, I'm going to show you how to use Cloud AI to build an app. So I'm going to talk you through how we're going to use this AI feature, or Cloud's AI, developed by Anthropic, how we can use this AI model, which is designed for natural language processing and text generation and reasoning tasks. We're going to use all these functions and then simply create an app without much coding and everything. It's pretty similar to OpenAI's ChatGPT. Cloud can also assist developers in brainstorming ideas like generating code, creating apps, and much more. So in this video, we'll show you how to create an app. So first thing that we're going to do is first we need access to Cloud AI. So go to Cloud AI, cloud.ai. So you can just Google Cloud AI if you want to. Okay, so just type that in Cloud AI and it will take you to the official website, which is cloud.ai, which is this one here. Okay, so once on their website, you can like sign up for an account if you don't have an account, or if you already have an account, you can simply log in to your account. Okay, and once that's done, you will get to this page here. Once you're logged in, you'll get to this page here. You have the paid plan as well as free plan here. In this, for this video, I'll just use the free plan, but if you want more features or more in-depth features, so you go to access more features, then you go for the paid plan. Okay, so once you're here, so what we're going to do is you will get to this home page here, this screen here, this interface, which is pretty similar to ChatGPT or any other AI model interface here. So in this here, you can use the Cloud AI to to just talk or type in anything that you want to do. So you can just type in whatever you want to build, you can do that, or you can also help you with writing or creating, for example, like creating code and something like that. Say creating anything, any ideas or whatever it is, like for coding here, and then a lot of other users as well. But and this is the model that you're going to use, so we'll just use that, the sonnet. Okay, and the first thing that we're going to do once you're here is you're going to like give the prompt of what you want to do with it. So Cloud AI, as I mentioned earlier, is ideal for text summarizations, question and answers, code generations, review, writing assistance, language translation, and a lot of like reasoning and complex workflows and tasks which you can use this. Okay, so what we're going to do first is we're going to like get it uh, to give some prompt to create a map. So what we're going to do is, so for example, a prompt here. So I'm going to give a prompt. Can you create a useful productivity app, a simple, which is like a simple task manager with a clean modern mobile interface? So like this, you can give any prompt. So what type of app you want to create, whether a web app or a mobile app, what is it for, and just give clear prompts and instructions of what do you want to achieve with that app. So this is pretty crucial, because based on your prompt only, Cloud AI will generate the app based on whatever you are prompting. So for this video purpose, I will just use a simple one, which is like a useful productivity app, a simple task manager with a clean and modern mobile interface. So that's what I'm going to create. So this is my prompt here. Can you create a useful productivity app, everything? So just plug in your prompt here. So whatever you want to create, just mention it, describe it clearly, everything. Just the more information you give, the much better the output will be. So do that and then click on the send option here. Okay, when you click on the send option here, what happens is that this will actually now try to create the app for you. So it's going to do all the coding and everything here. So as you can see here on my right side of my screen here, so the codes are being generated. So like Cloud AI actually does all the coding for the apps and everything, so we don't specifically have to do anything much. So it will like get everything for you, so you just have to wait for it to complete the process. So once the process is completed, and you will be able to see the app or how it's going to look like. So here, as you can see here, so the app has now been created. So this is the general app, the generic app that's been created. So as you can see so these are the features, or the interface that's been created, and it has all these features here. That's I didn't give much inputs, but this has been created by Cloud AI. So here I can use this, or if I want to, what I'm going to do, I can give like more specific instructions. If I want to change something, I can do that. So this is my app here. So if I click on the active on my task, these are where the active tasks are, the completed task, and all the tasks will be here. And to add a new task, I'm going to click on this plus icon here, and then just I'm going to type in what needs to be done, priority add task. So this is now a simple productivity app that has been created. As you can see, the app has now been created just like that with just a few prompts. So if I want to customize this or change this, I can simply type in to cloud, reply to cloud, and say that maybe I want to change this. I don't want it to mention as active, or I want to change this, instead of active I'm going to say in progress, something like that. So you just give the prompts in natural language, and cloud AI will actually do it for you. So once that's done, so once you're happy with your app and everything, so once you're fully satisfied with it, so what you can do, you have the option to either, like, if you only need the code, so you can simply copy the code. So you can click on copy or download it as the code files, okay, and you can implement it in any other, like any other platforms if you want to. Or you can, if you are good to publish, you can click on this publish option here, okay, and then this will now give you a copy link here, a link to your app here, which you can share with anyone, and then they can actually look into your app and review and all those things. And if it's like if it's like a mobile app or something, so if it's for mobile app which you want to like um submit to other like play stores or any other stores, so what we can do, like for example, if it's like an Android app, you can actually download the code, okay, download the code, download the file, and then go to Android Studio, and then you can just add this code in the Android Studio and generate the APK file, which is the file that's for in the installer files for the Android, for Android apps. So you can do that, so if based on what type of app it is, so but other than that, if you want to just publish as it is, you can click on the publish option here and then publish as it is, okay. So these are the ways how you can like create and use these apps. It's pretty handy. So actually it's very like cloud AI, it's a very powerful tool, especially when you're creating like a modern, or in a modern app development, or you are like allowing developers to create like advanced language understanding and generation of capabilities. So you can simply use this. So if you're, whether you're building like a full AI application or just embedding intelligence into specific parts of your app, you can simply use cloud to accelerate your process and reduce the development time, and also the effort that you're going to put in, like from scratch. So then you can also pretty much improve your experience as well. So that's basically pretty much it is. Hope this information and video was helpful. I'll see you in a new video.